we got here 325 petrol. What I have to do today, change a radiator, which is this one, change all the coolant pipe, and then 2 engine mounting, and then 2 D-bush on control valve, and there is a what they call expansion tank, which is this one, and the rocker cover gasket is this one coming from BMW. We need to do a lot of work. So first thing, I took off the filter, and this is not in the right place. That's better now. I need to change the engine mount as well, which is there. Change this one, I think. Change this one as well. Let's open. So this is everything what you want to change. T-bush, engine mounting, radiator, air filter, oil filter, and oil sump, gasket. Fuck, you know. Look what's happened to this one. That's why I want to change it. Fuck, you know. It looked like accident or something. But look at the water, what's inside. It smells like brake fluid. Change radiator first. Now it's time. I need to change this 2-bush, and I will open the subframe to change the mounting, and also see it's leaking, so I need to change the oil foil, oil filter, and why I forget, and also oil sump. Everywhere is leaking. Dirty petrol engine. To make a space, you need to take off subframe out. You need to put the jack on engine, and then start to open the screw. First thing, the engine mounting. Look what's happened on what they call. Fuck. It got some liquid inside, but it's been broken long time ago. Look. This two fucked as well. So let me show you in a different way. Open everything. Put 2 engine mounting. It left D-bush and all some cleaned it ready. All clean, nice, and then you need to put back. Put back everything. Now Now time for the power steering. Put back belt, power steering pump, new rubber, everything. All good. See, this is old one. Was leaking a lot. All clean, nice. Just left to put back cover, which is I'm not going to put back now till I start the car, check the water leak stuff. Everything new, radiator, yeah, new D-bush, everything nice. This is the old part, 2-engine mountain, just this one, radiator, well, new pipe, new tank, this pipe is new as well. Waiting for the filter, and I can't put oil till tomorrow. Want to dry the sump. All good.